how to use this washing machine. What you need to do, liquid only, conditioner or freshener here, A with a half, put on the A. If a 3/4, 1/3 B, put up on a B. So when you put your clothes here, don't press it, just let it be, otherwise it's like a ball. So let's see, I put on the B, number 1, close it. Number 2, the program, set the program. Number 3, and after that just turn it on. Don't forget your washing buck every time you use washing net, okay? Washing buck or washing net, same one. This one is will be off like this, so you can open the door. If that one on, never open the door. When you finish, just turn it off.